Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever had the feeling that your hair just isn't living its best life, it might be time to switch up your hair care routine. Today, we're taking a look at a product designed to do just that, the ORIBE Hair Alchemy Resilience Conditioner Liter Refill. This product promises to strengthen and restore your hair, offering a luxurious plant-based formulation that targets damage and promotes resilience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now, first things first. This is a conditioner that claims to deliver visible results. The key ingredients are rooted in plant-based science, and it's designed for all hair types, which is great because we all have different textures and needs. But can it really deliver the strength it promises? ORIBE has built a reputation for crafting high-performance salon-quality products, and this conditioner is no exception. It's packed with a blend of nourishing ingredients that are supposed to support your hair's health over time. Whether you're dealing with dry, damaged strands, or just want to enhance your hair's natural vitality, this product is meant to improve the overall condition of your hair with every use. What I love about this formula is its commitment to plant-based ingredients, which is a growing trend in the beauty industry. You can feel confident knowing that this conditioner is free from sulfates and parabens, which are typically known for stripping hair of its natural oils. Instead, ORIBE uses plant-based proteins to repair and strengthen hair from the inside out, leaving it feeling softer, smoother, and more resilient. Now let's talk real-world experience. I've been using this conditioner for a few weeks, and the first thing I noticed is how creamy and rich the texture is. It's thick, which is perfect for my hair type, as I love a product that truly coats and nourishes. It spreads easily through damp hair, and a little goes a long way. The scent is distinctly luxurious, with a soft floral fragrance that lingers without being overpowering, a signature of ORIBE's products. In terms of performance, this conditioner definitely lives up to its name. After using it consistently, my hair feels noticeably softer and smoother. I've noticed less frizz and more shine, even after blow drying. It works well with my daily routine, and it didn't weigh my hair down, which is something I always look out for in heavier products. Of course, no product is perfect, and for some, the price might be a bit of a barrier. It's certainly on the higher end of the spectrum, but considering the performance and the fact that you're getting a liter refill, the cost may be justifiable for those looking to invest in a top-tier product that works. As far as build quality goes, the liter refill size is a major plus. You're getting a lot of product, and the design is sleek and practical. The pump dispenser ensures no waste, which is a huge advantage for those who like to keep their bathroom counters tidy. The conditioner also lasts a long time due to the rich formula. A little really does go a long way. If you're looking for a product to really transform your hair, this conditioner definitely provides noticeable improvements in strength and resilience. However, if you're on a budget or looking for a more affordable alternative, there are other conditioners out there that offer similar benefits at a lower price point, though they may not have the same luxurious feel as this one. So, what's the final verdict? If you're willing to invest in your hair's health and want to experience salon-level results, ORIBE Hair Alchemy Resilience Conditioner is absolutely worth considering. It's a high-quality product that strengthens and restores, leaving hair soft, smooth, and revitalized. The premium ingredients and luxurious feel make it stand out, but it might be more suitable for those who prioritize quality over price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this conditioner, drop a comment below and let us know your experience with it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.